Demi Moore is an American actress and producer. After rising to prominence in the early 1980s, Moore became the world's highest paid actress by 1995. Moore was born Demi Gene Guynes on November 11, 1962 in Roswell, New Mexico. Her biological father, Air Force Airman Charles Foster Harmon Sr., deserted her then 18-year-old mother, Virginia, after a 2-month marriage before Moore's birth. Charles came from Lanett, Alabama, and Virginia was born in Richmond, California, but had grown up in Roswell. In 2024, Moore played socialite Ann Woodward in the Ryan Murphy anthology series Feud, Capote vs. the Swans on FX, and began starring as the wife of an oil tycoon in Taylor Sheridan's drama series Landman on Paramount Plus. On February 8, 1981, at the age of 18, Moore married singer Freddie Moore, then 30, 168, and recently divorced from his first wife Lucy. Before their marriage, Demi had already begun using Freddie's surname as her stage name. The pair separated in 1983, after which Demi had a relationship with Timothy Hutton. She filed for divorce from Freddie in September 1984. It was finalized on August 7, 1985. On November 21, 1987, Moore married her second husband, actor Bruce Willis. She and Willis had 3 daughters, Rumor Glenn Wills, Scout LaRue Willis, and Tallulah Bell Wills. They announced their separation on June 24, 1998 and divorced on October 18, 2000. In 2020, Moore starred as the protective matriarch of a family in the thriller Songbird, played the title role in the podcast Dirty Diana, and was among the celebrities who made cameo appearances modeling lingerie at Rihanna's Savage X Fenty Volume 2 fashion show. Her next film role was that of an eccentric neighbor in the musical drama Please Baby Please, which Tara Bradley of Irish Times found her to be a marvel in. She played a cameo as Nicolas Cage's in movie fictional ex-wife in The Unbearable Weight of Massive Talent. In 2010, Moore played a daughter helping her father deal with age-related health problems in the dramedy Happy Tears, as well as the matriarch of a family moving into a suburban neighborhood in the comedy The Joneses. The latter film was largely highlighted upon its theatrical release, with critics concluding that it benefits from its timely satire of consumer culture as well as a pair of strong performances. In Bon Rakho, a film Moore described as a big action adventure, she starred as a courtesan and a female fatale with a secret past. In 1991, Moore starred in the horror comedy Nothing But Trouble, the mystery thriller Mortal Thoughts, and the romantic comedy The Butcher's Wife. She took on the role of a clairvoyant woman in the latter to increase her fee following the success of Ghost, but later regretted making the film. Roger Ebert's review nevertheless described her portrayal as warm and cuddly.